This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials: a Geo 5G compatible SIM and an active plan. Insert the SIM and check that your phone supports 5G bands. This matters because older radios won't connect even with a 5G SIM. Once done, enable mobile data, open network and internet settings, and select 5G or NR mode. Make sure carrier settings updated. If prompted, accept carrier updates. Reboot the device to apply changes, so the modem negotiates with Geo's 5G cell sites. Once your SIM is active and the phone set to 5G, connect to the network and optimize. Manually select the Geo network if auto selection stalls. This forces registration. Enable VoLTE LTE and Wi-Fi calling so voice stays stable while data uses 5G. Adjust network preference to favor 5G over LTE for compatible apps. Run a quick speed test and a network scanner to confirm NR band and signal strength. This helps you understand why speeds vary and guides where to reposition for better reception. You finish by validating performance. Stream video, upload a file, and run a low-latency game to ensure consistent 5G throughput. If the device won't register on 5G, reset network settings or power cycle and reinsert the SIM. That often clears provisioning glitches. If problems persist, gather IMEI, SIM IXID, and screenshots of diagnostics, then contact Geo support so they can check provisioning and tower registration. One key tip: toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds before contacting support. It forces a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.